In this video, I'll show you how to reset Yoast SEO, giving you a fresh start if your settings are tangled or you want to start over. First, note that Yoast SEO doesn't have a built-in reset button, but you can use the Yoast Test Helper plugin. Head to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for Yoast Test Helper. Then click Install Now and activate once it appears. When the plugin activated, go to Tools in your WordPress sidebar and select Yoast Test. Scroll down to the Reset Options section. Here you'll see two buttons, Reset Indexables and Migrations and Reset Settings. Use the first to reset your SEO data or the second to restore all Yoast settings to default. Click the button Confirm and your Yoast SEO setup will be and that's it. You now have a clean slate to rebuild your SEO strategy from scratch.